Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn with Arin. Today we are going to be doing NSO paper year 2022 to 2023 class 3. Question 1. Few objects have been classified into two groups on the basis of a particular characteristic as shown in the table. Identify the characteristic and select the correct option. In group 1, we have rubber duck, plastic coin and glass ball, whereas in group 2, we have clayboard, wooden block and cotton shirt. So these two groups are divided on the basis of their waterproof nature. So the answer is C, waterproof nature. Question 2. The given diagram shows the samples of sticky tapes that were left with the sticky surfaces exposed to air at different locations X, Y, and Z in a school. X, Y, Z. From the amount of dust stuck on the sticky surfaces, select the area which has the minimum level of air pollution. So if you look at these three, you can see that S has the least amount of dust. So the answer is A, X. Question number 3. Refer to the given food chain. If snake population is removed from this food chain, what will be the consequence? So let's remove snake. And now A, frog population will decrease. Let's see. So they say when the predator is gone, then the prey will increase. So frog will definitely increase. So this is not the consequence. Then second, eagle population will increase. So when the prey is gone, they say the predator is also gone. So this will be a decrease. So this is not the consequence. C, grasshopper population will decrease. So frog will increase. So there will be more frogs to eat the grasshoppers. So then this will decrease. So the consequence is C, grasshopper population will decrease. Question number 4. The silk fiber is obtained from the blank of silkworm. So the fiber obtained from the silkworm is the cocoon. So the answer is D, cocoon. Question number 5. In the given box, how many food items can be grouped as protective food? Oil. This is not a protective food. Broccoli, it is a protective food. Lettuce, it is a protective food. Fish is not a protective food. Rice is not a protective food. Mango, it is a protective food. Tomato is a protective food. Butter is not a protective food. Paneer is not a protective food. And bread is not a protective food. So in total, we have 4 protective foods. So the answer is B, 4. Question number 6. Select the correct statement. In early days, people used body parts as units to measure length. Nowadays, we have rulers. But at that old times, we used body parts as units to measure length. So the correct answer is A. In early days, people used body parts as units to measure length. Question number 7. Rohan's father is a laborer and is working with his team to repair a flyover on a road. The road sign that needs to be put at this place is blank. A. This is a construction ahead. Rohan's father is doing a construction, so this would be a correct sign. B. No parking. This will not be the correct sign to put. C. Railway crossing. This is also not the correct sign to put. So it either can't be no parking, railway crossing, or all of these. So the correct answer is 7. Construction ahead. Question number 8. Select the odd one out on the basis of direction of force involved. A. Opening the door of a refrigerator. This requires pulling. B. Bulls moving a cart in forward direction. This also involves pulling. C. Hitting the cricket ball with a bat. This involves pushing. D. Taking out water from a well using rope attached to a bucket. This involves pulling. So all of these are pulling except for C. Hitting the cricket ball with a bat, which is hitting, also known as pushing. So the correct answer would be C. Hitting the cricket ball with a bat. Question number 9. Blank is a means of public transport through airways. So a transport through airways is either an aeroplane or a sledge. And public means many people who are not collected by families are in a single vehicle. So in a sledge there is a single family, while in an airplane there should be many different families. So the correct answer would be A, aeroplane. Question number 10. A means of personal communication through which audio messages can be sent and it can be carried anywhere we go is blank. A. Landline phone. Landline phone, mobile phone, and cordless phone are all means of personal communication through which audio messages can be sent. And it says it can be carried anywhere we go. So out of these three, mobile phone is the only one where we can carry it anywhere. So the correct answer would be B, mobile phone. Question number 11. If we see new moon on day 1 of a calendar month, then what will we see on day 21 of the same calendar month? So on day 1, there is a new moon. Then on day 7 is the first quarter, half moon. Then on day 14, there will be a full moon. And by day 31, there will be a third quarter, half moon. So our answer will be the third quarter. Question number 12. Unscramble the given letters to find out the name for the fixed path that Earth follows while moving around the Sun. A. It translates for shadow. B. Orbit. C. Rotation. D. Axis. So, orbit is the fixed path that Earth follows while moving around the Sun. So, the answer is B. Question number 13. Blank is a plant having climbing roots. Peepal tree is a tree. Watermelon plant is a creeper. Money plant is a climber. Banana plant is a tree. Money plant is a climber, so it has climbing roots. So the answer is C, money plant. Question number 14. Refer to the given relationship and select the option that correctly identifies X. Fish breathe with gills. So cockroach breathe with spiracles. So the correct answer would be B, spiracles. Question number 15. All of the given birds have feet with 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back except blank. Heron has 3 toes in the front and 1 toe at the back. Woodpecker has 2 toes in the front and 2 toes in the back. Crane has 3 toes in the front and 1 toe in the back. And Myna has 3 toes in the front and 1 in the back. So woodpecker, who has 2 toes in the front and 2 toes in the back, is the correct answer. Question number 16. Select the incorrect match out of the following. A. Stomach is digestive system. Stomach is a part of the digestive system. B. Skull skeletal system. Skull is a part of the skeletal system. C. Backbone respiratory system. No, backbone is a part of the skeletal system. So the answer is C. Backbone respiratory system. Question number 17. Select the correct match. A. Carbohydrates build our bones and muscles strong. No, carbohydrates gives us energy to work. B. Proteins gives us energy to work. No, proteins build our bones and muscles strong. C. Fats keep our body warm. Even though fats gives us energy to work, it also keeps our body warm. So the correct answer will be C. Fats keep our body. Question number 18. The professional shown in the given picture uses the following tools except blank. A. Thread. This is used by a tailor. B. Chainsaw. This is used by a carpenter. C. Scissors. This is used by a tailor. D. Needle. This is also used by a tailor. So the correct answer will be B. Chainsaw. Question number 19. Select the option that arranges these means of transfers from oldest to latest based on the time in which they first came into use. So a bullock cart is a cart pulled by bulls, and inside the cart are passengers, whereas a palanquin is a similar thing. Instead, it's pulled by people, and it's used to carry queens. So A. Train, bullet train, bullock cart. No. B. Palanquin, tram, metro. Yes, this is correct. So the correct answer is B. Palanquin, tram, and metro train. Question number 20. A and blank can be made using the materials shown here. The materials shown are bricks and cement. Now let's look at the options. A. Igloo. Igloo is made out of ice blocks. B. Houseboat. Houseboats are made out of wood. C. Caravan. Caravan is made out of metals. D. Pucca house. Pucca houses are made out of bricks and cement. So the correct answer would be D. Pucca house. Question number 21. Skeletal system protects various soft organs of our body. Select the incorrect match regarding this. A. Backbone, spinal cord. Backbone does protect the spinal cord. B. Skull, brain. Skull does protect the brain. C. Ribcage, lungs. Ribcage does protect the lungs. D. None of these. None of these are wrong. So the correct answer would be D. None of these. Question number 22. Read the given statement and fill in the blanks with the correct option. 1 is nearest to the sun and 2 is farthest from the sun. So 1 should be Mercury and second should be Neptune. So the correct answer is B. Mercury, Neptune. Question number 23. The normal body temperature of human body is blank. The normal body temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer will be B. 37 degrees Celsius. Question number 24. Which among the following bedsheets will take the least amount of time to dry completely when hung on a clothesline under the sun? So, synthetic fiber dries faster than natural fiber. All of the fibers given are natural fibers except for nylon sheet, which is a synthetic, aka artificial fiber. So the correct answer will be A. Nylon sheet. Question number 25. Strike out every alternate letter starting from the first one to find out the name of a soil component that makes it fertile. A. If we cancel out every alternate letter starting from the first, we get weather. This is not the correct answer. B. If we do the same thing, it will give humus. C. Frost. D. loamy. So, the component of soil that makes it fertile is humus. So, the correct answer would be B. Question number 26. What would be the effect of gravity on each of the following activities? Activity 1. A boy climbing uphill. Activity 2. A girl skiing downhill. Now, when you're climbing up a mountain, you find it very hard because gravity will slow you down. So, in activity 1, gravity slows him down. So, either A or B will be the answer. Now, activity 2. A girl skiing down. Now, if you ski a mountain afterwards, you'll find it very easy because gravity is speeding you up. So, among A and B, only B says gravity speeds her up in activity 2. So, the correct answer would be B. Gravity slows him down and gravity speeds her up. Question number 27. When you are traveling in a car, you should disturb the driver while he is driving. No, you should not disturb the driver while he is driving because that can distract the driver and it can cause an accident. B. Keep your hands inside the car. Yes, this is a safety measure you should take while you are traveling in a car because if you keep your hands outside the car, another car might bump into your hand, which can cause serious injuries. See, try to open the doors of a moving car. No, you should not. Because if you open the doors of a moving car, then maybe the headlights of another car can pop up in your window and cause an accident. D. Jump or play. No, you should not do this because it will affect the driver's driving and may result in a crash. So, the correct answer will be B. Keep your hands inside the car. Question number 28. Rohit and Shivani were standing as shown here. Rohit waved to Shivani and she smiled in reply. Sheet P can be made of A. Wood, B. Iron, C. Rubber, D. Glass. So the only way that Shivani can smile in reply if sheet P is transparent. So all of these objects are opaque except for one, glass, transparent. So the correct answer will be D, glass. Question number 29. The feature of the birds that does not help them to fly include blank. A. Streamlined body. A streamlined body helps the birds fly. In fact, it's one of the main reasons how airplanes can fly. B. Strong flight muscles. Yes, this also helps them fly. C. Down feathers. No. Down feathers keep the bird's body warm. D. Hollow bones. Yes, hollow bones are light, so birds can fly very easily. So, the correct answer would be C. Down feathers. Question number 30. Select the incorrect statement regarding small intestine. A. It is the longest part of digestive system. Yes, it is. B. It connects mouth and stomach. No. The small intestine connects the stomach and the large intestine, and the trachea connects the mouth and the stomach. C. It has hair-like structures present on the inside wall to absorb your nutrients. Yes. D. It is richly supplied with blood vessels. Yes. So the correct answer will be B. It connects mouth and stomach. Question number 31. Refer to the given setup, which of the following option shows the shadow formed on the wall. Here a torch, wooden prism, glass ball and wall. A wooden prism is opaque and a glass ball is transparent. So there will be no sign of a glass ball as a shadow. And the wooden prism, there will be a sign. So there will just be a triangle. So the correct answer will be B. Question number 32. Refer to the given flowchart about human organ systems and select the correct option regarding P to S. It is same in both the genders. No, P. P should be reproductive system. So stomach should not be a part of P. Q. It aids in digestive. Yes, Q. Q is digestive system. So blood is not a part of Q. No, it transports oxygen to all body parts. Yes, R. R is the circulatory system. So bones are not a part of R. No, it helps in body movement. Yes, S. S is either the skeletal or the muscular system. Muscles are part of S. Yes. So the correct answer will be D. Muscles are a part of S. Question number 33. Study the given figure and answer the following questions. Which process is responsible for the haziness of mirror when we blow out air on it in winters? So if we blow on the mirror, it will form tiny water droplets on the mirror from the air. So that process is called condensation. So in the given picture, Q stands for condensation. So it should be D, but let's look at the second mini question. Which process is responsible for drying up of puddles on road? So this is from water to water vapor. This is called evaporation. And evaporation is P. So there should be P here and there is a P here. So the answer is D. QP. Question number 34. Refer to the given Venn diagram about birds and select the option that correctly identifies any two among W to Z. A. W is ostrich. So if you look at W, it can only run fast. So W can either be ostrich, flamingo, heron, stork, egret or cranes. So W is one ostrich. So W is correct. X. Penguin. X can fly and can swim. But even though penguins can swim, it can't fly. It can only can be duck, goose or swan. So A is not the correct answer. B. Z. Penguin. Yes, Z is penguin because it can only swim, it cannot fly and it cannot run fast. X is swan. As we discussed earlier, X can either be duck, goose or swan. So this is the correct answer. C. W. Kiwi. W, as we discussed, can only run fast. But if it would be kiwi, then it should be outside the Venn diagram. So it cannot be kiwi. It cannot be C. D. Z is duck. No, duck can also fly now. So D is also not the correct answer. So the correct answer is B. Z equals to penguin and X equals to. Question number 35. Neetu was experimenting to find out the material that is most suitable for making ropes to pull water from well. The given experimental setup shows the maximum load each material can hold. Addition of further load will lead to breakage of the material. Which of these materials is least suitable for making such ropes? So they're asking which material can hold the least amount of weight. 7 kilograms equals to 7,000 grams. So compare 7,000 grams, 8,000 grams, and 500 grams. 500 grams is the smallest of these three, and material Y can only carry up till 500 grams. So the answer is B, Y. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.